Well, my rep is in here. It's V1 black Tonto. I don't really know how to express how excited I am for this, but I need to put the mail. BRS box, legendary, old one, made in the USA. Got ourselves toilet paper. So here's the rep. He sent the pocket, or not the pocket latch, just the latch. And we got the BRS cards, and then I think this is a sticker, although I don't know. And so here's the knife itself. I don't know. I'm so hyped for this. Whew. Okay, buddy. Alright, okay. Okay, so the BRS thing is a teeny bit faded here. No tap. Let's see the play. Basically no play. I mean, it's BRS, so what do you expect? Listen to that sound. This thing is crazy. The only the only thing I don't like about the V1s is all the screws are not, they're T6 instead of T8. That's the only thing I don't like. But holy crap. I don't want to chip my tip yet, so I'm going to be pretty careful and pretty slow. And I already cut myself. Fantastic. Dude, look at that. But wow. This thing is crazy. This sick scorpion tip Tonto is insane too. And the spine is crowned. I don't know. I actually don't know if rep crowns were, the V1 rep crown or spines were crowned or not. I don't actually know, so I'll look that up, because if it's not, then it was like modded or messed with at some point. But wow, this thing is crazy. Jeez, okay. I'm gonna take some pictures with it and stuff, so yeah.